People have been negotiating with each other for thousands of years, and ever since they have been talking about how to do it best. The most difficult thing in any negotiation almost is making sure that you strip it out of the emotion and just deal with the facts. And there is a considerable challenge to that during your home buying process, and understandably so. The art of negotiation is perhaps what most deeply distinguishes between agents. And it is this art and this will to negotiate for our clients that has made our agents some of the highest paid agents in California. Our certified agents will discuss the best strategy with you regarding offer price, financing terms, interest rates, cost to close, possession dates, inspection details, and other environmental reports, and anything else you want to know when you are ready to purchase. Our certified agents are trained every week in black swan negotiation tactics used by top FBI negotiators during critical hostage situations. You will be working with the best of the best in the business. We will help you prepare the offer with terms, provisions, special stipulations, amendments, exhibits, and anything else weighted in your best interest. Call, email, or text me for more details on this topic or to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process. We look forward to being in business with you in the future.